I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone, hello universe, it's me again guys. Kumusta po kayo? Shout out sa mga Marcos Lady supporters, Filipinos and OFW. Alam nyo ba, pinalitan yung bagong DOH Secretary, si ex-DOH Secretary Puharte dahil sa may sabit pala. But anyway, hindi na natin na i-explain kung anong sabit, basta i-research nyo na lang mga guys. Pinalitan guys At ang pumalit ay si DOH Acting Secretary Mercado ng presidente ng PhilHealth. Wow. O di ba? Ito basahin po natin para kumpleto detalyado. Shout out sa ating mga kababayan. Again, today is August 14, 2026. Sabi dito mga kababayan, nako, yan na nga ba We welcome a new era for our health sector with DOH Acting Secretary Dr. Edwin Mercado and PhilHealth Acting President CEO Dr. Beverly Loren Ho. You see mga bes? Ang pumalit sa kanya, President ng PhilHealth ngayon ay si CEO Dr. Beverly Loren Ho. Pinalitan niya si dating PhilHealth President Mercado, na siya naman ngayon ay naging DOH Acting Secretary. Di ba? Mas mapagkatiwalaan. Together, we will build on the reforms we have started and make healthcare more accessible, affordable, and responsive to the needs of every Filipino. Ito in-update ko lang sa inyo. Baka hindi nyo alam kung sino yung bagong secretary ngayon ng DOH, mga kababayan. The mission remains clear: better care, stronger benefits, and a healthier Philippines. Ayan nalit tayo ng upload pero kailangan natin i-updates. Dahil sa sobrang busy natin, mga bes Ayan, nanumpa bilang acting DOH Secretary. For I think new secretary ng DOH si Mercado ay magaling din, Maganda ang kanyang background. Alam na natin yan kasi meron tayong updates niyan yung hinalal siya bagong presidente ng PhilHealth nung 1 year ago. Last year I think, At ito yung bagong presidente ng PhilHealth, mga bes. Si Doktora Ho. Wow. Ayan Ano guys, sa palagay nyo? Hindi kayo mapalagay? Ganun talaga pag hindi maganda ang akala siguro ng Pangulo magandang background. I mean so I think may sabit talaga yung pinalitan ni Secretary Mercado si ex-DOH Puharte. I think si dating Secretary Herbosa may sabit din guys nasasangkot sa mga anomalya. Di kayo naloka. Ano ba yan? Akala ko yung sa DPWH pati pala yung mga ibang doctors nasasabit, hindi naman lahat mga kababayan. Kaya ayan ayan nag-outtaking ceremony. Department of Health Acting Secretary Edwin Mercado, study room Malacanang Palace. Ayan malinaw na malinaw sa ating mga mata, mga kababayan. Sabi dito, anong priority ba ng bagong secretary, acting ng DOH secretary, na si Dr. Mercado. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. administered the oath of office to Dr. Edwin Mercado as a Department of Health DOH Acting Secretary during a ceremony at the study room in Malacanang Palace on August 11. And prior to his, prior to his appointment, Dr. Mercado served as acting President of Chief Executive Officer COO of the Philippine PhilHealth Insurance Corporation in February 2025. Isang taon na pala siya sa PhilHealth bilang presidente guys, February, bringing decades of experience in healthcare management, health financing, and universal health care to the DOH. Oh, 1 year na siyang nanungkulan. So I think maganda guys ang kanyang pamamalakad sa PhilHealth ngayon under sa kanya yung zero billings yung pinapatupad ng Pangulo. Before joining the PhilHealth, Dr. Mercado held several roles in healthcare, including serving as a medical director of Daniel O. Mercado Medical Center from 1998 to 2000 and has president CEO of multiple hospitals from 2000 to 2016. He also served as a consultant for the Asian Development Bank, which is ADB, and the Solid Family Foundation, and served on DOH Strategic Advisory Group for Universal Health Care Implementation. Ayan. He earned his Master of Medical Science in Global Health Delivery from Harvard Medical School and Master's degree in Hospital Administration from the University of the North Carolina, Chapel Hill. Aba, mabigat ang kanyang background guys Sabi ng mga nagko-comment, sana po President may release na po ang DOH sa HEA namin. Eh di idulog nyo na lang, no? I think on process na siguro yan. Ito yung mga DDS nakasali. Mga DDS talaga kahit saan nandoon sila, pero hindi nila nakikita yung sinusuportahan nila, no? Mga crooks. Yun ang totoong crooks, no? God bless BBM for your support. The study room in Malacanang Palace. Ayan. So, yun mga kababayan, ang ating bagong sekretary ng DOH at ang presidente ng Philippine PhilHealth na bago. So, yun guys, ang aking pinaka-latest update. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next upload. Bye bye and babush. God bless Philippines. There's more. Bye everyone.